What is up, guys? Back here with another commentary video. In this gameplay, we'll be defending the fort on Vietnam at Paintball Explosion. At this point, it's just me and Matrix left at the top of the fort of Vietnam because our last guy just got taken out and our whole bottom floor got taken over by the other team. I saw that this guy was having trouble trying to get down the stairs, so I knew that the other team had to be filled up on those stairs right there. At this point, all we can hear is gunfire because the whole bottom floor is filled with the enemy, and this whole building is surrounded by the enemy team.
Check him, check him.
All three of you guys, oh! All three of them are hit, come on! All three of them are hit, come on!
Check him. He's out.
Let him out!
At this point, I was starting to run out of paint because we've already been playing the game for 20 minutes.
Don't worry about it, Matrix.
He's out. Matrix, come over here.
At this moment, I realized that I was all out of paint, and I had to stay there to distract from Matrix until he got out.
Let him out! Oh, he's in the hole.
Hey, I have no paint. No paint. No, alright. Kill it, no mags.